Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today we are going to discuss about the sourcing and global sourcing, why the sourcing is important and play an important role in the procurement department. As a viewer, that sourcing can take many different approaches. As a procurement, it could be category of the product or services, or maybe the supplier relationship, supply and demand, or some kind of culture of organization. Sourcing can be categorized like single sourcing, dual sourcing, and multiple sourcing. So, what is single sourcing? Single sourcing is choosing a source from only one supplier is called a single sourcing. Let's say you want to buy a Lexus car and you will go to the Lexus showroom to get the car instead of going to the Porsche showroom. So, this is your only sole source where through you get the items. Dual sourcing like you're sourcing from two different suppliers. Maybe you have dependent and independent product, or you have the final product or core product for your organization and you're buying from the two different suppliers, or maybe you make a competition between these two suppliers. Multiple sourcing, this sourcing mean like you're sourcing from many suppliers, is called multiple sourcing. For example, it's again depend on the product what you are procuring or sourcing from the different organizations. Let's say you're working in the production or manufacturing company. Maybe you have 3 or 4 tire suppliers. Through them, you are going to produce or get the product. It could be a raw material, and then you make a final product or saleable product in the end. So multiple sourcing require also another concern related to the organization. During this discussion, we find out that there's a monopoly situation might be there. So this is a situation where one supplier has the entire market share and there is no competition. Then it can create the monopoly during this sourcing the raw material or the product. So you might also encounter the sole sourcing as well, which is a situation where only one supplier for the required item is available and you don't have more suppliers. So there is no fair competition and you have only one source. Through that you can source a project. So I hope you understand the difference between different type of the sourcing and how it play a role as a supply chain or the procurement department. Wish you good luck and see you in the next episode.